Today, I'm going to show you how to create a wave design in GIMP, step by step, using a super simple method that works great for beginners. This is a really useful technique if you want to make abstract backgrounds, graphic elements, motion style designs, or just add a clean wave effect to your artwork. And the best part is, you can do it fast, without needing advanced drawing skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GIMP and create a new project or open the design you want to work on. Before you draw anything, it's a smart idea to create a new layer. This keeps your wave isolated from the background, which means you can edit it later without messing up the rest of your image. To do that, go to the Layers panel and add a fresh layer on top. Now select the Paintbrush tool. You can also press P on your keyboard to switch to it quickly. Once your brush is selected, go to the canvas and click once where you want your line to begin. This first click sets the starting point for your wave shape. Next, hold Shift and Control together, then move your cursor to the end point where you want the line to finish. Click a second time to snap a perfectly straight line between the 2 points. This gives you a clean base shape that GIMP can transform into a wave. If you want a thicker shape, you can also use a larger brush size, or even draw a rectangle-style bar first, depending on the look you want. Once you have your straight line or base shape ready, it's time to turn it into a wave. Go to the top menu, click Filters, then Distorts, and then choose Waves. As soon as you click it, a preview window should appear on your screen, showing you how the effect will look before you apply it. This is where the magic happens. In the wave settings, you'll see a few important controls. The first one is Amplitude. If you drag this slider higher, the wave crests become taller and the dips become deeper. That gives your design a more dramatic, bouncy look. If you keep it lower, the wave stays smoother and more subtle. The next setting is Period. This controls the frequency, or in other words, the spacing between each wave peak. A smaller period usually means tighter, more frequent waves, while a larger period spreads them out more. So if you want a calm, flowing wave, try increasing the spacing. If you want a more energetic look, tighten it up a bit. Then you have Phase Shift. This option lets you move the wave left or right until it lines up the way you want. It's really helpful when you're trying to match the wave to a specific composition, or when you want several wave shapes to connect smoothly. Just keep adjusting it until the pattern looks balanced in the preview. Take a moment to experiment with all 3 settings. Small changes can make a big difference in the final result, so don't be afraid to tweak the sliders a few times. Once the preview looks right, click OK to apply the effect. And just like that, your straight line has been transformed into a smooth wave design in GIMP. From here, you can recolor it, duplicate it, add gradients, or combine it with other shapes to build a more complex design. This is a great technique to keep in your toolbox because it's fast, flexible, and easy to customize. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more GIMP tips, beginner tutorials, and quick design workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.